every person in food science and technology knows Dr. Prabodh, and currently he is working with Marico, regulatory head in R&D session. And apart from that, the most important thing about Prabodh sir is a positive person. A positive person who spreads the positivity, who helps the other, who helps who mentors the other. I am not sure a single person in food science and technology fraternity who will say that that person is not impacted, the person is not influenced because of Prabhu sir. And the very good example is me. I have a very great influence in my successful career because of Prabhu sir's guidance. So thank you so much, sir. He has a very, very vast experience of more than 25 years in the area of food science and technology as an academic person, as an industry person, as a regulatory person, as a great human being and whatnot. The list will go on. He has a very big biodata. He has been associated with so many government as well as non-government organization, trust, international organization, and where he has not associated. You just name the topmost association in food science and technology area, you would find that everyone knows Prabhu sir. So thank you, sir, for being here today with us and sharing your insightful to my students. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Wonderful morning to everyone. And thank you, Dr. Shalini, for inviting me. And it is my privilege to be present in your forum. When you called me, I could say no. As usual, whenever you call me, always I am there. But more so, I wanted to see the students because Sanju told me about this forum and he shared the experience. And I really want to inspire the student, not only motivate. And there is a difference between inspiration and motivation. Motivation is a temporary phase. Inspiration is a permanent one. I'm going to give about my thought. Friends, this is a great opportunity, and thanks to COVID, we could hear so many beautiful speakers, great speakers sitting at home. I think it's a great opportunity. And I could see Dr. RBN also is a part of the participant list. And thank you, Dr. RBN, if you are still there. And these are the great personalities who actually motivate the students sitting at the back. Since the agenda of your webinar is about the career in food processing, food technology, I would be giving you the softer aspect about the success, happiness, and we'll be talking about how you will be making it into the professional way. I'm not going to give you any kind of philosophical talk. I am going to be a very hard hitting for your success. The way Satish has given you a very hard hitting, absolutely clear, crystal clear thoughts. It's very, very important. I'm from a regulatory background, so it is important for you to understand this is the presentation made by me. There is no success guarantee that after hearing this presentation you will become successful, but whatever you want to, you can achieve on your own. This presentation will give you the direction. So do not claim that after having this presentation I am still not got the job. Finally getting a job, becoming a successful, it is your own. It is not about copying somebody's career, not possible. Friends, I lost my mother 17 days back. I'm in Nagpur and I thought that I will devote this presentation to my loving mother, Professor S. Halde. She is my first guru. She completed her PhD at the age of 55. She was the head of the Department of Sanskrit in Nagpur. And I'm fortunate to say that from last 6 months, I'm stationed in Nagpur because she was fighting with the cancer and I was in Nagpur, and many of you might be knowing that I was operating from the Nagpur from last 6 months and I was with her in her last fighting time. So really, I'm praying my mother and she will be very happy that I am doing something great as a proud son. Thank you, mother. Everybody have some values in the life. It is so important to have some values in the life if you want to be motivated, insightful. There are two kind of eating. Is kind of conventional heating, non-conventional heating. The heating, conventional heating means the heating happens from outside in. Microwave heating happens from inside out. Happiness should be from inside out. Your motivation comes within. I have my own life mantra, adabhav tadabhavati. जो आपके मन में भाव है वही आपके सामने आएगा. What you think, it will come out. As you think, you will become. It is not about others. It is a fear inside you which stops you successfully. It is a fear inside you which makes you a failure. It is not about outside. It is inside. People finds a solution outside. It is not. It is within. Look at the face of Shalini. Shalini, if you can show your face, look at that glow and look at that confidence. Where it comes from? Within. No cosmetic can make her face like what she is. It is within. Adabhava tada bhavati. Friends, purpose of life is life of purpose. And as a thumb rule, you get a credit for 20% of your efforts. 80% work goes unnoticed. Those who are prepared for this formula can be called as successful, because our problem is we believe that whatever I do, I should get a credit. Probability of getting the credit is 1 by 5. 5 times you have to work, only you get a 1 credit, 20%. And that is the formula. It is still 20% is higher in the number in the NPD, new product development, it is only 5%. So the people who are working in R&D understand a failures, 95%. The successful in the market is only 5%. So guys, life is not about shortcuts. You need to be ready. It's a long journey. I like the way Shalini has conducted this session. Student, Shalini talked so high about me. Thank you, Shalini, but it is you are my junior and you may be having that kind of respect, but I'm telling you, I'm a very average student in my career. Average means average, not very meritorious, but I think application of the right brain in your career and professional life is so important. So guys, all my students, start working on your right brain activity. It's so important to cultivate the right brain. Left brain gives you the intelligent quotient, right brain gives you the emotional quotient, social quotient, spiritual quotient. That makes your life more enriched. And success is not about money, success is about holistic life. Just quick test. Look at the chart and say the color, not the word. Anybody can unmute, or I don't think admin will give you the actually power of unmuting yourself, but
You can type in the chat box.
you can type in the chat box what is the first word. Anybody quickly. Shalini, you can actually read the chat box because I am not able to see. Anybody answer?
The first word is green.
Oh, great. Those who have said it is a green, they are right brain inclined people. Those who could say yellow means they are more left brain. They see what it is. Right says in between. This is just a quick test of your inclination, nothing to do with your increase or decrease. The good part about God is that God has given brain to everybody, but we don't know where it is kept. If you have to be successful in the life, you have to take a risk. Without taking risk, nobody can learn the swimming. Nobody can learn the cycling. Nobody can learn the successfulness of the life if you have not taken the risk in the life. In our generation, because I can call that generation because I am born in 1980s, 70s, 80s, in between, we have seen the black and white TV, we have seen the poverty, we have seen the cycling. We watched the movie, the earlier day of exam, we traveled without any AC compartment, without reservation. We have eaten the fruit, definitely चुराए हुए fruit दूसरों के पेड़ पे चढ़ के, and traveled a solo at unknown places without mobile. I don't want to call this is something good or bad, but if you have done this in your life, please put into the drop box. Yes, we have experienced this kind of life, and just keep in with yourself. It is not about saying anything, it is experiencing. Friend, I am an accidental food technologist. In today's presentation, Shalini, I'm going to open so many my hidden windows.
Sure,
So
sir.
please keep all yourself, all the students who have joined today, 124.
Sure.
I got the admission in Nagpur Ramdev Baba Engineering College, which was a private college, and that time 1990. And my 12th score was good score, but could not secure the government college seat because the seats were very limited. So took the admission in engineering college of Ramdev Baba with the mechanical engineering. For 2 months I continued it, but my father was inclined and he said there is a food technology college, and he applied for it. That time the handwritten form used to be there and by the speed post, and he told me to go to this college and it will help your career. I was not aware about F for food technology, but I was believing in my father's dream, and without complaining, one thing which I did good thing in my life, I joined that college. Just imagine coming from Nagpur, coming from the private college, coming from that those days of Kayamat se Kayamat tak, maine pyar kiya kind of scenarios. I came to Parbhani, and then those who are from Parbhani or seen the Parbhani, you know the life and way back in 1990s. But then it became my passion. In career, Satish has given so great example. Because of the financial condition, I am so proud to say that all my qualifications I have achieved during my jobs. After my BTech, I got the first job as a chemist. I used to do a night shift in the Beckman's industry in 1994 after my BTech. Humble beginning, very, I would not say low salary. Salary, I never thought about it. Getting a job, getting exposure, getting experience is a great thing. I enjoyed it. So I started my career as a humble career in 1994 in a Beckman's. I was there only for 6 months. After that, I joined ACC Agrotech for 3 years. After that, joined Coca-Cola for 8 years, and now with Marico for 15 years. I never took the job as getting the money. I always enjoyed the work. I never compromise with the value. I always believe that you add value to the company, company add value back to you, you both add value back to the society, and money is a byproduct, salary is a byproduct of your learning curve. Job is not about money making. Job is about overall holistic one. I will talk about it. Friends, 1992, I became a student member of AFSTI. 1993 IFCON, I should correct this slide. 1993 IFCON, this left hand side, the photo of my classmates. And happy to tell you that all my classmates were attached to each other through the WhatsApp. 2018, I was the president of the AFST India, and IFCON was conducted under my chairmanship. I am not boasting that I have done something great. I am just giving you, if you are a student, when I was a student in 1993, I dreamed about becoming a president of AFSTI when I was listening then the presidential address. A thought came in my mind, can I? And one inner thought came in, yes, I can. Then the journey continued. It is not about one night or one day. It is a continual efforts of more than 25 years of consistent work. And it was one of the great show of 2018 IFCON. Those who have attended, more than 3,000 members attended the IFCON of 5 days, and it was a great show. I enjoyed being a president and I enjoyed being a chairman of the IFCON. A great teamwork and great delivery by the team, not by the leader. Everybody gets the turning point in the life. My turning point, I salute, thanks to Dr. Uday Annapure, if he is there, director of ICT Jalna campus. Story goes like that. I was doing very well in my life. I was assistant manager way back in 1997 and working in ACC. My head office was in Churchgate, and company has sent me for the abroad posting, which is a very perm posting, which a lot of perks and money. You get an Indian salary in Indian account and you get the perks in, and I was posted in Sudan, which is a very, those time was actually not a very good country, but because of the money, people used to go for 3-4 years, extend actually deputation. I went to my head office to submit my passport and all. While coming from Churchgate to Thane, because I was staying in Thane those days, I just thought, let's meet Dr. Annapure, because Annapure was the PhD final year those time, and I used to call Annapure sir as Anna, कि Anna sir के पास चाय पीने जाता हूँ. And he was my senior and he has offered his room many times to me whenever I used to come to Bombay. I cannot forget that kind of support what Annapure sir has given. Amazing. While talking, he said, Prabodh, tomorrow is a walk-in interview of Coca-Cola in this Maratha hotel. Why you don't go? I said, sir, I got a job and I'm going Sudan. Yaar, kya baat kar rahe ho? I will be getting much more salary. And he said, yaar, you go abroad, but why you don't attend the interview? And then our discussion left in between. I attended the interview. I got selected. Offer letter came to me. I denied it, saying that I am going to Sudan. But the greatness of the great company like Coca-Cola, they said, think about it for 7 days and then send us the regret letter. In that 7 days, Sudan war started. It is a story of 1998, July. And because of the Sudan war, my deputation got cancelled. Company told me you cannot go out. And in the company also, then there was no work left for me, because anyway they considered me going to Sudan. So the internal changes, so much of disturbance happened at the domestic part. Suddenly this offer letter become like a passport and I joined Coca-Cola. Friends, it teaches two things. If senior is saying something to you, listen. Do not jump into the conclusion that अरे यार क्या होने वाला है, जॉब मेरे पास तो जॉब है, मैं क्यों इंटरव्यू दूं. It all happened by accident, but not by any reference. It is by your own hard work. But I still give the credit to Dr. Annapure sir for guiding me, showing me that door. Always be faithful to the people who came to your life to show you the light. When it about success, it is not about your own success. I believe the success is about if I can make somebody successful. I am a chairman of my society, and again this is a story of 7 years back. There was a boy who used to come to our society for washing the car. As a society, we took a call to teach him, educate him, and he became a BCom, and after BCom we put him as an accountant in our society and he joined as a CA office. Today, Sachin is a manager of our society. He used to wash the car in our own society 10 years back. During this lockdown time and my mother's illness, I happened to be stationed in Nagpur, and then I have a village called Lohgad. I have developed a group of 35 tribal youth, the left hand side, yesterday's photo. Shiv Jayanti program we conducted there, and I have assured them, mentoring them continuously, and their dreams are to become IAS officer, IPS officer. Condition of club is that every day 3 hours study, 1 hour games, and rest 8 hours your livelihood. And no gutka, no pan masala, no tobacco, no alcohol, and disciplined life. If you are okay, then only you can join this club. And this I formed just 3 months back. Today, 35 members are enjoying and they are studying. I think as a leader, when you come up to the situation, you start giving back to the society the way Shalini is doing, Satish is doing, without any expectation in the return. Shalini talked about it. I have happened to write more than 7 books, and I have attended so many national, international programs, few photos. What one thing which I do, I enjoy the work which is assigned to me, and work gives me the enjoyment back. There, Swami Vivekananda said, it is not important what you like, it is important what is being given to you, like it more. So develop the habit of liking what is being allotted to you. One is about liking, there is no doubt. You need to love the work, but develop the habit of loving the work, what is being assigned to you. You may become a teacher tomorrow and you don't like teaching job, but don't spoil the career of the students because you don't like the profession. It's okay, you leave the teaching job after 2 years, but don't spoil the career of the students. Love the job, what is been assigned to you. Start loving it. Three Idiots is in the movie, but in reality, only 7% people allotted a job what you like. 93% of the people like us, you start loving your job, what is assigned to you. Please understand what I'm saying. It is very good to say that convert the passion into the job and then you enjoy it. It's okay. That can happen in your startup companies. Again, 7% people can do the startup, not all. Business is the baby of only 7 to 10% people. 90% people will work for others. That is the balancing of the society. If everybody start opening the business, who will work for each other? So life also balances. Me and Shalini have a common one angle. Our US visa got rejected 4 times. Sitting in a queue, filing the form of 3 hours, and then going for the visa appointment and then getting rejected later. You can imagine what kind of pressure comes on you don't get a reason why they are rejecting you. My US visa got rejected 4 times, but then I was invited by USDA for 1 month tour to US as international visitor leadership program in 2017. I traveled all across US and now developed so much good ties with the US. Friends, आपका समय आएगा, your time zone will come. Do not get disheartened by one rejection. Nowadays, people get rejected in one interview. Oh my God, sky has fallen. Nothing, कुछ नहीं होता भाई. एक बार रिजेक्शन, 2 बार रिजेक्शन. यूएस वीजा में तो यार लोग ऐसे समझते हैं कि यूएस का वीजा 4 बार रिजेक्ट होने के बाद तो लाइफ ही बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Nothing. Positive minds find solution in every problem. Negative minds finds problem in every solution. I'm not asking you, I'm not telling you. Judge yourself and you try to be in the side of positive, not negative. Very interesting story on this. I write the book called Prabodhika, and my 5th Prabodhika in 2019 got published, inaugurated by President of India. They invited me to the President House. But the struggle was not so easy, because when I wrote to President of India about inaugural, he rejected the offer saying that he means his deputy president is busy. Just to tell you, it happened in November and I wanted to inaugurate the book in December, and once the rejection happens, actually I wrote letter to president through one of my friend who is a member of parliament then, Nana A.T. Patil, who is in the picture also. He said, Prabodh, once the rejection comes, you cannot write to president again because it is a protocol. He is having a protocol and you cannot write. In month of December, I happened to meet Sadhguru and I requested him to inaugurate my book, Prabodhika, and I requested him. He looked at me, he said, who is in your mind? आपने किसका नाम सोचा होगा इनॉग्रेशन के लिए? Why you are coming to me? I said, Sadhguru, it was a president of India, but he rejected it. Again, he looked at my eyes and said, dear, follow it. And उन्होंने बोला, no inauguration by me. फोटो दे दिया, लेकिन no inauguration. Then it happened like, I will wait. How you can write again to president? No, protocol doesn't allow you. I was having so much of confidence कि boss कुछ ना कुछ होगा. I don't believe in luck. I believe in confidence. Luck opens for the people who struggle for it. Luck shows you thenga. Luck don't open the door for you, become bad luck if you don't struggle for it. One fine day on 4th January, afternoon, I got a call from President House saying that tomorrow is the opening of your book. Can you come to Delhi? I said, yes, I will come. But then I came to know how this happened in between. My book was sent to the President House and the rejection letter was sent by their deputy PA. But the book left at the house. There are 300 and odd rooms. In one of the room, the book was lying. It's a small book. Many of you might have seen. And then there is a color process started in the President House because of Diwali, and that book traveled some 2-3 rooms and somebody was reading it, and then it happened to see by President himself, and he carried it home. Madam President saw that book, she read, she gave the feedback to President, sir, this is a wonderful book, who has written this? He was not aware. He sent back book to the office saying that, pata karo, kisne bheja? Then they found out it is the inaugural book which came, but we have rejected it. He said, call that fellow, and then actually it got inaugurated. Why I'm telling you this? Keep your focus, keep your consistency, keep your attention, keep your passion. God will also help you. God only helps those people who do 98% hard work. 2% is the luck factor. Problem is that we do 20% of work and we leave 80% is to the God. God has much more other work. God will only help you in 2%. So 98% is your hard work, and hard work. Satish explained very nicely about the job. I want to tell you that job is not about money, but start is important. When you take up the job, every phase of the life, initial 5 years, then 10 years, then 10 years, and then 10 years. Because our journey is about 35 years. You joined the job at 25, you retired at the 60. So a journey of 35 years. Initial 5 years, do not look at money. When I say do not look at money means it's not a free service. It is a respected, whatever is a respected, but start somewhere. After 5 years, you start learning one area to become expert. 15 years. So after 15 years, next 10 years is expertising that area which you start loving. So find out which area is you can become expert. So by the age of your 40, 45, people should know you about one quality or one skill. That's the way you should make your life journey plan. Do not leave the job in between. And when it about the job, it is not about title and the salary, what it comes. It is about your free time. It is about your actually freedom, physical health, mental health, family life, everything. People are not lucky to get everything. It is like a 7 balls of the glass balls playing in the air. Anything, anytime anything falls, it is career is stopped. So do not take up the job for money. This is one simple. In my life, the most important person who has helped me to shape my life is a mentor. In my life, I got many mentors at various phases of the life. Mentor is the person who shapes your future. He is your guru. I salute to all my mentors. I don't want to name them because obviously they should not feel bad because they have not done it for something in return. But I really salute. And Dr. RBN, you are one of my mentor who taught me how to become a president of AFST, because you were my earlier president. And during Bangalore to Mysore, 4.5 hours, when we used to travel every time in every meeting, you taught me literally how to write the minutes, how to do, and I really salute. Since you are present here, Dr. Annapuri is also, Chitale sir, Dr. D.N. Kulkarni, Dr. Divi Darshane, my present boss, Dr. Sudhakar Maskar. I'm telling you, Dr. A.K. Ghosh of ACC. Many people have helped me in shaping the career, but those who are actually consistently giving is absolutely thank you to all my gurus and all my mentors. Friends, for you, find out the mentor in your life who will guide you and listen to him. Again, I'm saying listen to him. If you are arrogant in answering back to the mentor, there is no loss to the mentor. It is your permanent loss. Keep a confidence whatever you do. Increase your confidence by knowledge. Reduce your arrogance by humbleness. Insecure people talk loud. Secure people, confident people talk confidently without any making noise. Confident people do not give any excuses. Arrogant people, insecure people always give you the excuses. एग्जाम का पेपर कठिन था इसलिए मैं पास नहीं हुआ, वो कंपनी में पॉलिटिक्स है इसलिए मैं सक्सेस नहीं हुआ, नहीं तो प्रमोशन तो मेरा ही था. Stop giving the excuses, my friends. Life is not so bad. Life is absolutely, when you point out in somebody's direction, 3 fingers are in your direction. You are responsible of your future. Only 33% is the society, 66% is you own. One thing in my life I always believe, do not bring politics at the work, and do not trouble the people. Treat the people equal. You never know who will go where and who will become big. If you want to throw somebody, if you want to hit somebody, believe that because of him you are there. So do not do any harm to the people, knowingly or unknowingly. It will come back. Karma will come back. I told you that positive people find solution in every problem, negative people finds problem in every solution. You need to know which side of this tree you are. Some of the negative energy, some of the positive energy indicators: sadness, jealousy, lazy, hatred, arrogance, anger. All those values, it is up to you how much you want to reduce, how much you want to remove, but how much you want to take the positive things like giving, forgiving, kindness, humbleness, gratitude, happy, bravery, joy, all those words. Students, this presentation I'm going to send it to Dr. Shalini. Please forward to everybody. Please write it down. These are the things which you should inculcate in your life and try to become positive. I'm not about saying successful. Success is not a destiny, it's a journey. You have to enjoy the present, then only you are successful. If you start looking at something as a destination, there is no destination in career. It is all about journey. You enjoy the journey. Satish was talking, and I think trust is most important in your life. Be it your partner, be it your job, be it your whatever. It comes with accountability and involvement. Accountability is much more than responsibility. Involvement is much more than commitment. Commitment can be transferred. Commitment can be delegated. Involvement cannot be delegated. Accountability is taking ownership. Responsibility is assigning somebody's name and keeping a backup. In accountability, there is no backup. Involvement, it is a physical, personal involvement. Whatever is job you are doing or assigned as a student, if you are a student, are you involved into the job? Are you doing trustworthy job? Are you trustful to the job? Are you faithful to the job of what is assigned to you as a student? The picture is talking itself, and it's very, very important. Do not mistrust. Do not Quality comes with the trust, and you are the brand of your own career. Improve the brand image by bringing a quality in your brand of the trust. Most of the failure people are not actually failure. They just quit ahead of success. And that is just 2 seconds in the race. 2 seconds in the race. Many times one jerk is required where you actually opening the door of the success and you quit. Friends, don't quit. You never know which door will get opened. Keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. It will come. Company does matter. This picture, you know that in one of the program of Coffee with Karan, these two cricketers went and then they spoiled their career of the cricket. And in my own life, my friends are my strength, and you are known by the company you keep. You can select your friend definitely. So friends are those who respect your differences and who guides you properly. Do not worry about if they are poor and not having a proper education or not from the humble background, whatever. Friends are friends. But company is important. What company you keep is so important that shapes up your career and your future. Do not stop education. In my life, Shalini ma'am, I am doing my second PhD in MIT, and during these 13 days, my second year first semester paper, there are 3 papers were there: computer application in research, and then vivacy of my objectives of the research, and research method, and one more, the presentation techniques. University allowed me to extend my actually this semester, saying because you have this kind of bad things happened at the life. Mother died on the 2nd of February. My exam was on 5th, 6th and 7th. I closed my eyes. I asked my mother, what should I do? Should I give exam or not? It was a 3 hours paper, computer application in research. Second day, again 2 hours, and third day, 2 hours. I got a response within me saying that there is no rituals after 5th, because the first ritual is on the 3rd day, and then you are free for next 5 days. Then the ritual start after 10th day, 11th day, 13th day, and 15th day. What you're doing? Why you don't give exam? Give exam. My mother was a born teacher, and she was a teacher actually, and I made her happy by giving the exam. I would have chosen to cry at home and say that I will not give the exam, and teacher were ready to excuse me, but I have not. It is not about again boosting me. I am saying when the life asks you the question, go back, ask your guru. What guru will think about this situation, and you get the answer. So guys, 2 things: continue your education, whatever the age, no excuse. Whenever there are the questions like this, quit or don't give. Ask the question to your best of the best guru within, and they gives the answer. And be open and humble and transparent with the answers. Do not go into the cozy atmosphere, what are the comfort zone. Friends, now coming back to the food technology, guys, traditional food have a huge scope. I always want our traditional food industry should flourish. We come with the so much of ton of knowledge. Nala Damayanti, King Nala was the first food technologist of the India 8,000 years back. He has written the book called Nalapaka Darpan, having 11 chapters. 3 chapters on vegetarian food, 3 chapters on non-vegetarian foods, preservation techniques, processing techniques. Amazing book, available in 14 language. You can download from Google. Mata Sita was the best chef. Ballabh Bhim, he has written on the 12th chapter of the book. Actually, when they were in Agyatwas, he has written a book on the what to eat, what not to eat, how king should eat when he was a Ballava in Virat kingdom. Shahjahan was one of the best cook, and he has written a Nuksai Shahjahan, and so many recipes of the today's modern food are founded in the Nuksai Shahjahan, like some kind of biscuits, naan katai, and some kind of koftas and all. Sambar, the dish sambar is named by Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj when he visited to his cousin brother, at Tanjavur, our own Tanjavur, IFFT Tanjavur. He was a king who is a Raja Shahuji, again a Marathi king in Tanjavur. And they made a kadhi, amti for Sambhaji Maharaj, but by mistake, it is called as serendipity. They were not having a curd to add into the amti, they have added imli ka pani, tamarind juice, and the product became whatever is the name, they named as a honor to Sambhaji Maharaj, called it Sambar. So much of fun, so much of history is in our own food science, and we should be more inclined to learn our own history of the science and start taking some objectives in your MTech or PhD thesis from the wisdom of the Indian wisdom. In COVID time, health H is been replaced by W, wealth has been replaced by H. So health is a new mantra. Anything healthy is a welcome thing. Do the changes in your own product and on your profile. These are the new product trend. I'm not going to go into the detail, but just to give you the personalized nutrition, organic, natural, traditional, vegan, e-platform, exports, home cooked food is going to be the big boost. Packed processed food, which are nutritious food, green products, plant-based meat, safe new packing, cloud kitchen, functional food, nutraceutical, high protein, multigrain, cereal science products, convenience food, RTE, RTC, on the go food, immunity boosting food, mental health food, cut vegetable. These are the new trends. Food equipment is going to be the big area. Food packaging is going to be the big area. So if you are choosing the topic of selection for your MTech dissertation, do not copypaste.com. Invest your time in really value adding and put value to the table. It could be a small value, it's okay, but it should be your own value. Innovation is must. If you are a student, if you are not innovating, you will evaporate. And life is difficult. Life teaches the lesson after taking the exam. It is a very difficult time, and once you miss the bus, permanently you miss the bus. Permanently you miss the bus. There is no excuse then. Friends, there are the name of companies in group A and there are name of companies in group B. Just imagine why the group A companies are no more in existence or not so successful today. There is a reason. Reason is timely innovation, consumer insighting. They were having everything, money, resources, people, but they missed the bus. So guys, you should not miss the bus and start innovating within you, and you should not become a history. You are a future. Most of the innovation happened during the First World War and Second World War. If you see the food processing industry flourish after Second World War, because of the canning technology, the ready to drink, the carbonated beverages, processing food industry itself came into the Second World War because of the supplies to the so many country soldiers. COVID also has given us the innovation opportunity, and so many companies are coming and bringing innovation. And you also think what you can bring innovation, new product, new technology. Do not, this is for the student, do not worry about your future. It is going to be the strong. R&D is increasing. Start is important. Limit your expenses. Because of the COVID, it is not going to go. Still 1 year, COVID will be there. Our life is like what we are affected. Salary cuts. So limit your expenses. Do not go for any capex expenses as on today. Play on your strength. If you are a batsman, improve your batsman spirit and skills than learning the bowling at this age. So if you are a student already, you are 22, 23, whatever the age, find out where you can, what are your skills. Start improving those skills. Help others, sharpen your skills, collaborate. Do not compete. 1 + 1, 11. Believe in that mantra. No copypaste.com. It is easy to copy, but start thinking, be original, whatever you are doing. Hard work is a must. There is no excuse to hard work. Every problem has an opportunity in disguise, because if COVID has come, but so many doors got open, so many startups have come. always the people ask me, sir, I want a job, but not in, please suggest me a job in a Mumbai, and that too preferably in the Bandra area, so I can stay in the Bandra, and then my Mausiji is staying in actually the other, and it will be very easy for me. And what kind of job you need? Sir, I don't want shop floor because I am actually, I enjoy the computer and I want a AC compartment and lot of money. So that is my dream job and I should get that in the first instant. Other people, they said, my dream is to actually control the hundreds of vehicles and they should be controlled. So I should be like kind of owner of the so many vehicles and they should be controlled by me, thousands of vehicles. God, listen it carefully, but if the person is not putting the efforts, what God gives to you, you become a security guard of the ATM machine where a lot of money is there, but it is not your own money. It's the AC compartment. So guys, getting a dream completed without efforts is what you get this. And then you become a Pandu Havaldar where you are controlling thousands of vehicles just on the vessels and on the. So you are owner of the thousands of vehicles. You can cut a challan to anybody. You can stop anybody. As such, it is your vehicle, but you are not the owner of the vehicle. So guys, sorry, it's not about the humiliating some personalities, but it's about your dream. Are you ready for that dream? You have a dream, but are you ready to go through the process? Believe me, gold also to convert into ornament has to go through the process of 880-degree temperature. Then only it can convert into the ornament. So guys, without burning, there is no gold. You have to burn yourself. Yourself, I am saying yourself. Then only you can get what you are dreaming. Dream it. There is no tax, there is no GST on the dream, but passionately implement the dream with the hard work. If you are having an idea, as I told you, 7 to 10% people can go for the job, go for the business. You should go if you have that courage. But if you have idea, convert that potential energy into the kinetic energy. Do not keep the idea and then, like Satish said, that during the college time, you always want to propose a good girl and you miss the bus and somebody proposes and get married. And after 20 years, you are dreaming that girl, "Arey, kash maine propose kiya rehta to I would have been." Life is all about taking the calls, taking a decision at that time. And there is no decision which is wrong and right. Time makes you that right or wrong. So what is in your hand is taking the decision. Two things can happen, failure or success. Success, very good. Failure, it is a one more learning for your wrong decision. You learned how to not to take that wrong decision. Shalini ma'am, for all your student, food technology is a social responsibility because farmers are dependent on your innovations. Our responsibility is on two parts. One is a farmer, one is a consumer safety and farmers value addition. I'm from farmer background. I'm telling you, it is not like IT where you do something and then you eat pizza and then you enjoy the life. No, food technology means you have a double responsibility of the social aspect. It is a social responsibility and you have to do it. 1 crore investment in the food processing generate 10 jobs. 1 crore investment in IT technology generate 1 job. What is good for India? Agro processing, food processing. You should be proud about food processing. Start, learn, and somewhere you should make an impact of your own sphere of influence. One more area which I see in the coming time, industry and academia should have a marriage and it is mandated. I am so happy to see that ICT is doing such a great job in academia and industry marriage because the future is about that. If industry is staying alone, academicians are staying alone, India will not go anywhere. Publishing paper is not a great thing only. Converting the technologies for the startups and the companies and the society is the real work. I'm so proud to say that Dr. Shalini, so many professors from ICT have converted actually the technologies and given to the needy. I think that is the work. Transfer of the technology to the needy, not writing the paper alone. Scholars, those who are going for PhD or those who are thinking about PhD, you are a national resource. Do not waste your time. Look at the subject of national interest. Try writing your own language. So many now new tools have come where if you are copying from somewhere, anyway, plagiarism will actually reject your thesis, but start writing your own language. Don't copy, paste, com. Do the research of your interest, industry, social, consumer, whatever. Publish minimum 4 articles during your master in national or international, whatever. And Dr. Shalini has conducted one session on the research writing. I think it's so important. Apply for the group patent if it is possible. Support the startup. If you cannot start, support the startup. Just to conclude, I will now take only 2-3 minutes. Respect teachers, college, alumni. Do not say ill about your own college. Never. Do not say ill about your own teachers. Never. Do not say ill about your mother and father. Their blessings are countless. Find your liking. It is not a copy. You cannot become a copy of somebody. He got a job of so lakhs rupees or so 1,000 rupees. So no. It is you. God has created you as an individual. Your journey is individual journey. Find your strength. Enjoy your strength. Don't worry too much about your future. Future is going to be strong. Do not spoil your future because of your past or present. What you are today is because of your past. Now start working to make your strong future. Take the different path if required. You have to flow against the absolutely flow of the river to achieve something. What people will say, अरे लोग क्या बोलेंगे? कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे भाई, बाद में ताली बजाएंगे. If you are successful, help others and don't broadcast. Don't put it on the Facebook. मैंने 200 रुपए का डोनेशन दिया, इसका मैंने एजुकेशन किया. Do not broadcast. Let the people broadcast it for you, not you. Nothing is impossible. It is in mind. Money is not the only priority. Again, I am saying, keep religion, politics away from friendship and professional work. Please, please, please. Keep religion and politics. Arey, I am from BJP, I am from Congress, and do start fighting in the laboratory. No. We are only food technologists, bounded by food technology. That's it. My blood, your blood is red. We are food technologists. And I'm so happy to say that in our AFST Mumbai, alumni of CFT, we do not know even who is from what. We only know she is my sister, she is my brother, he is my brother, we are food technologists. That's it. I don't require any language and any religion is of only food technology. English is just a language. Master it. हम लोग मराठी मीडियम वाले थे, मराठी ठीक ठाक आता है, हिंदी ठीक ठाक आता है, इंग्लिश ठीक ठाक आता है. कॉन्फिडेंस एंड नॉलेज इंपॉर्टेंट है. योर टाइम जोन विल कम. डोंट कॉपी योर अदर्स टाइम जोन. आपका टाइम आएगा. स्टे पॉजिटिव एंड कीप पॉजिटिव होप्स. मिरेकल्स डू हैपन. मेरे खुद के टाइम में 2 बार मिरेकल हुआ है, बट 98% हार्ड वर्क. नो शॉर्टकट टू सक्सेस. 2 out of 10 efforts will be recognized. So don't worry. Don't ask for recognition every time. वो छोटा बच्चा होता ना, मेरी बैट लेके आया तो मेरे को डबल बॉलिंग, डबल 2 बार आउट हुआ तो भी मेरे को चलेगा. लाइफ नहीं करता ही. Do not become a puppet of your mother and father. At the age of 22 or 23, still your father and mother are saying, नहीं सर, इतना दूर कैसे जाएगा, ये तो परभणी का है, फिर औरंगाबाद में कैसे जाएगा, बॉम्बे कैसे जाएगा. अरे फिर उसको BA BCom करना था भाई. Why you are putting the food technology? If he or she cannot go wherever it's possible. You will make your parent proud. Stay away from the bad habits and enjoy the life. Health is wealth. Innovation, creativity will take you along. Education is a continuous process. Respect teacher and gurus. As I said, education is a continual process. Integrity and trust are not negotiable. You will earn money, you will become a position, you will, whatever, you can become a Prime Minister of India, you can become a whatever, the MD of the company, but if you are failing in integrity or trust, people will not trust you. You are losing something which is absolutely. I love this poetry, and this is a great poet, great Amitabh Bachchan's father. कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना, गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी कोशिश बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। Guys, life is all about work and hard work. Har and jit just part and parcel of the life. Don't worry about that. Thank you for your patient hearing, and these are my credentials. You can get back to me on email, WhatsApp, or Instagram. I'm very socially active on this. Don't copy my that habit, because we have done after 20 years of work and want to give back to the society, not to showcase something. Please, 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 it is not about showcasing, it is about giving. And those who know me, and we have a great culture of AFST Mumbai, and we all are united by only one mantra of giving back to the society and doing something great for yourself and great for the society. खुद को अच्छा बनाओ, बाद में दूसरों की हेल्प करो, लेकिन जरूर करो. Thank you, Shalini, for giving me opportunity. Sorry, I took some 6-7, but thank you.
I have no words, sir. My students are so benefited. I was getting the entire session goosebumps. I was like every seconds here. I was thanking to the God. I was thanking to the supernatural power for bringing me in contact you. I feel so fortunate. I was patting on my back that God brought me in contact of you, and what a inspiration. And I would like to read some of the comments from our audiences. Every line is an inspiration. Prabodh is equal to inspiration. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for such an inspirational talk, and thank you. They would like to, really thank from their heart. It is every line of your talk, every word that you said was only inspiration. And you said that there is a big difference between motivation and inspiration, and inspiration is for lifelong. And I know that this is going to be very, very impactful, very confidence boosting, very motivating, only the positivity. And I do not know how many of in this word believe, but the screen or the distance or the country, nothing can stop reaching those positive vibrations. Good people automatically comes in contact with good people. So on this platform, those who are attending today's session are in the positive vibration network, positivity, and good people. We are all good people. We have an objective to do the good thing for the society, for the people, and that is why that good superpower, supernatural power has brought all of us together here on this platform. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. So I have few questions from the audiences who have sent me. So
2, 3, and then rest we can respond.
Yes. So you have achieved so much in your life. You are such a successful, and you already said that one should keep learning, keep doing things. So why you have already done a doctorate degree, and why would you like to do another doctorate? So will it add doctor to your name? Very very innocent question, sir.
Shalini, actually, if you see, I'm helping some startups, and one of the startup which I'm helping in the area of jaggery, and one of my friend's son has started this. He faced some challenges in the jaggery processing and preservation, and then I started helping him, and then thought about putting into the actually perspective. And then when I was talking to Dr. Annapure sir and then Pawar sir, he said, unless you document into the form formally, I think this will go best. So then with their blessings, I gave the written exam of the. So that's why I have chosen this topic, and I wanted to support. That's why my topic is about value adding of the jaggery, and it is not about for me. It is about something for the society.
Again, in work also there is a.
And PhD, I think it is not about. It is all about your passion. It is not about, because it is not. There is no any something like. I think it is a value addition. PhD, if you are doing it for degree, just forget it. It is not a PhD then. PhD is about value addition. How much value add? Taking 4 objectives. Every objective should add value to the society or farmer or whoever. If your PhD thesis is not been touched by you in last 10 years and nobody has seen this, what is the use of that? So anyway, everybody does it. I have my own reason of doing it. So thought about doing something in the own passion, and I am from the farmer background. So my motivation of doing it when I was a kid, my father used to have a jaggery plant, and then our jaggery used to get spoiled in the rainy season. हम लोग बच्चे थे तो ऐसा वो jaggery वो एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको एक स्टिक रहती है, उसमें वो जैगरी लपेट के हम लोग उसको इज लाइक कैंडी जैसा खाते थे. बट ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन इट यूज्ड टू हैव सो मच ऑफ bad smell. I always felt why the jaggery is becoming black, why it is not, why we are not getting during rainy season. That got stuck in my mind, and sometimes I just wanted to give back to the. So anyway, not emotional, but wanted to do.
Such an inspiration behind the good work, and when a person tries to do good thing, the entire superpower, the positive things or the energy, positive energy comes to help you. So our very best wishes for your this good initiative, good cause, and I'm sure you will be successful in this good work. So there is one more question, one last question. There are many more questions, but what I will do, students, I will compile those questions. I will take sir's help later on. I will post it across. Okay. Sir, there is question like in our life there are lots of ups and downs that keeps happening, and then it's so difficult to keep ourselves always positive. So do you have any tips, or would you like to tell something which can overcome or which will bring us out of that negative situation and immediately we bounce back into the positivity? Very nice question. Thank you so much.
Thank you for asking this question. Whoever has asked this question is a very intelligent question. You know, the successful people or positive people, whatever you name them, they have an art of hiding something on the face. That's why they are successful and they are positive. Within, there are many problems. Because I am also married. I also have a daughter. I also have a son. I also have a relatives. I also have a social life. And life treats you equally. What the positive people have an ability to cover up. It's like somebody is visiting your home and you are keeping a good house. Positive people do not consider that they are always happy because they do not have a problem. They have an ability to overcome the problem, and that is the exactly thing which you are asking God. You are not asking God, do not give me a problem. You are asking God when you pray, God give me a courage and ability to overcome my problem. It is not about don't give me a problem. तो ऐसा नहीं कि एग्जाम ही नहीं लेना है, एग्जाम लेना है, लेकिन मेरे को उतना स्टडी करने की पावर दो कि मैं एग्जाम अच्छे से लिख पाऊंगा. सो इट इज नॉट अबाउट अप्स एंड डाउन. कंसीडर अप्स एंड डाउन्स आर अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द लाइफ. अगर दिन है तो रात भी है. एवरीबडी विल गेट अ darkness in your life. Everybody, nobody is excused. It is about accepting. So Sadhguru has said, if you are a donkey, behave like a donkey. Don't try to behave like a monkey. Or if you are a monkey, behave like a monkey. Don't try to become like a lion. If you are putting a lion cap and try to become a lion and try to show to the people I am a lion, but you are a monkey, monkeyness will come one day. And your whole life, you will start hiding your monkeyness. This is such a great thought. कुछ लोग मंकी होते तो उनको मंकी बोलो यार, लाइफ में सेटल रहो. बोल दो यार मैं ऐसा ही हूं. आई एम लाइक व्हाट आई एम. इफ आई ट्राई टू शो लाइक आई एम अन्नापुरी सर, आई एम स्मिता मैम, लाइक अरे मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा भाई. स्मिता मैम है, अन्नापुरी सर अन्नापुरे, शालिनी मैम है, मैं हूं. मैं हूं. एक्सेप्ट दिस फैक्ट, मैं हूं, विथ ऑल माई एबिलिटीज, ऑल माई डिसेबिलिटीज, ऑल माई लाइकिंग डिसलाइकिंग, व्हाटएवर. देन लाइफ इज चंगे. अदरवाइज होल लाइफ यू वांट टू शो कि मैं ऐसा नहीं हूं, लेकिन अंदर वाला वो आगे आते रहता है, एंड समडे इट गेट कॉट. सो एक्सेप्ट व्हाटएवर इज द फैक्ट. आई नो दैट इज फिलोसॉफिकल, बट सतीश यू आल्सो सेड द सेम थिंग. अरे जो है वो बोलो यार. किसी को झूठ बोल के आपका लाइफ आप कटा नहीं सकते हो, क्योंकि 2 दिन के बाद तो पकड़े जाएंगे, 1 साल के बाद पकड़े जाएंगे. सो बी ट्रस्टफुल. जो है वो बोल दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आपके स्पाउस, आपका जॉब, कोई जो है वो दिखाने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. जो नहीं है आपका नहीं है.
So nicely said, sir. It is so true. Life is so simple. जो है वो दिखाओ. Be transparent, but complications. We only one who makes our life complication. My dear friends, I'm so grateful once again, sir, to you to be here, taking out your precious time from your very, very busy schedule. I know that you have been involved in so many other activities. Despite of that, you accepted our invitation only to mentor, to inspire our students. And thank you so much for your very, very inspiring talk. And I look forward for your association in future also. I know that you have impacted, influenced my career, successful career, a lot. There are so many stories, and it is not only me. There are people who are writing in the chat box, and you might not be knowing, because there are millions of people in India who are food technologists and who have come in contact with either food technology or without non-food technology background. They remember you because you are a celebrity to us. But it's very, very fortunate to be in touch with you, to be in friend list of yours. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Shalini. You are doing such a wonderful job, and we are your fan here. You are a celebrity in yourself, and we are your big, great fan. And guys, those who are listening, only now 86 are left. Please put a comment in the LinkedIn where the Shalini has put this program about Satish, about me. Why it is not about to boost us, but it is about to tell others why such attending such a actually programs are important. It is very important. People do not have habit of giving a feedback. I think feedback is the most important thing for improvement and for sharing. Please give the honest feedback. It is not about good or bad. It is tell about honest feedback कि मेरे को अच्छा लगा. उससे दो फायदे होंगे. You will be self respected कि नहीं मैंने 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटे मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया. I wrote write about this, and then the feedback to the organizer कि बॉस ये अच्छा था या इसमें और कुछ हो सकता है, whatever. But please do that. That increases the morale of the organizer also. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you so much, students. Thank you, audiences. Thank you, speakers, for your valuable time. Despite of this being a Saturday, early morning, we started at 9 a.m. One of our speaker was from USA, and he spoke about how to go abroad for higher education. So since then, you have been here with us. So thank you so much for student for your active participation. And thank you, Prabhu sir, and thank you, Satish sir, for your time. Thank you so much.